Assalamu alaikum, all of you. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to talk about the downloading website. As I have mentioned in the thumbnail, that today I will show you there is one website which is more and far better than anything else or any other website. So nowadays we people all are looking up on social media apps like Facebook, YouTube, or anything which else you might interested in, that we are looking up on the videos and anything that is interested, and the first thing which comes in mind and pops up in the mind, it is how we get it to download, and we will might save it up for the future reference, or whether we want to share it with someone else or anything that can be useful for you. So today now I'm gonna show you that where you can get this download very easily. Alright, let's open up Google in your cell phone and just type in there in a search bar Y for downloader. When you will type in there, it will bring you to this page, and the first website, which is Y for downloader download page, you will have to click on that, and it will show you the more display and the more interface like that. Now you can scroll down, you can see the apps where you can copy the links and you can paste it here for the purpose to get it download the video that you are interested in. I can scroll it down, see how many apps are there. You can copy the link from any of these application and you can easily get it download. So I have copied the link from one Facebook video, so I'm going to paste it up here, and I will click on download. It will show me that this video was from Facebook as well. You can see it has two options to download in two qualities. And one more thing, I can understand that this video was without audio. If this would have been along with the audio, it would have given you the option to download the audio as well separately, not along with the video. So this website is very good. Please do use it for your purpose. Thanks for your time, and bye for now.